PMP examination. So this examination is a 4-hour long examination and you will have 200 multiple choice questions here. Out of the 200 questions, 25 questions are the pre-test questions and 175 questions are for the final marking. So pre-test questions is PMI will keep on changing the versions of the examination. No one outside that circle has any idea how many papers they have, how many versions of the question paper they have. They keep on changing them, they keep on adding the questions. These questions are developed by the professionals and the volunteers across the globe from the different industry. So what PMI does is before adding those questions for the final marking, they put them under this pre-test category. And they will do it's a kind of survey. So suppose they have given it to 200 people or 300 people, and out of the 300 people, no one is able to answer that question. So they will assume that okay, it is too difficult, it is too tough, we can't handle it. I mean, people are not able to handle it. So they will probably remove that question from the test. Suppose out of 300, almost everyone answered correctly for that. Then they'll assume that okay, it is too easy. So they'll remove that as well. So pre-test question is just to check whether the question is good enough to be given or to be added into the final marking questions or not. Okay. But you will have no idea that which of the question is a pre-test question and which one is a final marking question. You will have to take all these 200 questions with the same level of seriousness and you will have to pay the same level of attention to everyone. And the passing score to clear the examination is 61%. You need to score minimum 61%. You need to get 106 questions right out of 175 questions. Because 25 are pre-test questions and for that the answers are not considered, I mean the score is not calculated. Clear? 4 hours, once it started the clock will continue to tick and in 4 hours time, so practically like, you get 1 minute and few seconds or 5 or 6 seconds for each question. Because you need to take 200 questions in 240 minutes. Clear? So as I told you, PMBOK, the project management body of knowledge, is divided into 5 process groups and initiation will have 30% of the share from all those 200 questions, planning will have 24% shares, monitor and control 25% and closing 8%. So only 8% question will be coming from closing area. Okay. So these questions they will not come in a proper sequence or any order. They will be the random questions. So the first question may be from the closing, second question may be from the execution, like this. There is no order defined for it. And that is all about your basics of PMI and PMP examination, and we will keep talking about it as we move ahead and as we make progress. Okay? And this information that I have shared with you, it can change from time to time. So the best option is you go to PMI website and download PMP handbook.